Yo everybody, Kyle here. I'm going to call this an unexpected unboxing because this just showed up at my house. I didn't order this and nobody told me it was coming. I think it came from Gilbert. Let me see if I can get him on the phone.
Hey.
Hey dude, can I record this call?
Yeah, okay, go for it.
I'm going to do something that I'm calling an unexpected unboxing, and I need to figure out why there is something sitting in my office.
I'm not sure what you're referring to, but okay.
I was on a work call, and then my doorbell rang, and there was an Adorama package sitting at my door. A Lumee RGB light bracelet just showed up at my house. Why did it show up at my house?
Well, tell me more about it.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna prop the phone up so it's still in frame. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. I only opened the Adorama package. And inside was this Lumee RGB light bracelet box. Actually, it'd be even funnier if somehow you had Adorama packaging in this box and then there's just rocks inside of it and you sent it to me.
What the fuck? That's pretty cruel, man. Why would anyone do that?
All right, I'm opening it up. All right, it's got the bracelet itself. It's got a strip of RGB LED lights.
So it's not rocks.
It's not rocks.
Oh, that's good.
It's got a USB to micro USB. What is this? 2004? Why don't we have USB-C?
Can't win, can we?
And some 3M sticky. Are these little magnets?
I don't know.
It's like pieces of metal that say Spiffy, the brand, and have 3M stick on the back. These stick. Oh, yeah. There's a couple of magnets on the back of the bracelet light. So I can magnet mount this like my Pavo tube in the background. And yeah, it's like a slap bracelet from the 90s.
That's why it's a micro USB. Or I guess it should be mini USB then. They screwed up.
It should be mini USB.
Yeah.
Okay, and I probably need to charge this. There's some like bumps here. So there's these buttons, but then there's also this like, I'm guessing this is where the battery is stored.
I don't know. No idea.
And it's dead, so I need to charge it up. I will charge it up, and I guess I'll come back to this video.
Yeah, FaceTime me.
But part one of the unexpected unboxing of the Spiffy Lumee RGB light bracelet to be continued. Okay, we're back. Gilbert's actually on FaceTime, and I charged up the Spiffy, what was it called? The Spiffy Lumee RGB light bracelet. I also...
is that what the company's called? Spiffy or like Spiffy Labs or something? I don't remember.
Spiffy? Spiffy?
Just Spiffy. Yeah,
Spiffy?
okay.
Yeah.
The Lumee. Yeah.
The Lumee.
Fun.
I also took a look at the little manual for the light.
Yeah.
And there's only 3 buttons on this light. One turns on the light. And then it's also the power level. There's this is 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%.
Mm-hmm.
And the next button cycles through the R, G, and B LEDs.
Oh, so it's just full on R, G, and B, right? There's no in between, huh?
So there's a third button, and then that gets you the in-between stages.
I'm liking the flares that it's causing, the reflections. There's no hood on your lens, huh? Well, you're straight on, so it would still do it anyway. Yeah.
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 So But here was the weird thing. I was going through and I was like, well, where's orange? Because I started on red.
Yeah.
And then I started, and I'm like, okay, so there's purple and pink. So what's happening is I'm going from red to blue. Then I need to go from blue, and that'll take me from blue to green. And that kind of gives me the aquamarine colors. And when I'm on green, it gives me green to red. So that's where the orange color is. I was just like, why? I'm cycling through these.
So weird.
Where are these? So it doesn't have like HSI controls like the Pavo Tube, Nanlite Pavo Tube that I have back here, and Gilbert has the Aperture MCs. I can't just dial in a hue.
There's no app associated with it, correct?
There's no app connectivity, and there are some effects though. So if I long press this secondary color button, I've got this one that's kind of just rolling through the hues. And it's a little jerky as you go from like one full R or G or B.
Oh, I see. I can see it on your face, yeah.
It's a little jerky.
Yeah.
There is police. So you got those blueberries and cherries.
Not too bad.
This one I think is fire. So if I wanted to look like I'm sitting around a campfire.
Mm-hmm.
What was this one? I think this one's like pretending to be a TV screen.
Right.
And this is the only way you can kind of get white. You don't get white any other way but this TV one. There's no HSI, so there's no blending.
They sell a bicolor version of it, actually.
And yeah. So if I wanted this to be a hair light, I'd have to get the bicolor version.
Yeah, they even sell them as a bundle. Like you get one bicolor and one RGB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this I think is firework mode. And then I'm back. That's it. That's it for effects. There's not a lot. And I've got this cranked up all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just go back to like RGB. That's the brightest it goes. It's not that bright. So if I wanted this in the background, like how I've got my Pavo Tube kind of lighting up my background, like even at the brightest setting, if I put that back there, it's not.
It's nothing. Yeah, it's meant to be like a slap bracelet on your wrist, and just to have for fun and quick little situations out on the go. It's fun.
I didn't even look up how much does this cost? The Spiff
$260.
I hope not.
No, it's $40. It was fun.
$40. That's too much.
No, it's fun, man. It's a slap bracelet RGB thing. It's a lot of fun.
Also, this is very confusing because on the website, on the box, it's LUMEE. But on the website, it's LUMIEE. They don't even have their branding.
You know, maybe you got a knock.
I've got a what?
Maybe it's a knockoff.
Oh, maybe this is... No, it looks...
I got it through Adorama.
Yeah, Adorama wouldn't sell us a knockoff.
But yeah, it's meant to just be a fun thing, like not a serious light, I don't think. Like, although they're saying it's like photo grade and all that, it's just bullshit. But
yeah, the first cinematic wearable light is what the website says.
I wouldn't take that seriously, but it's I could totally see you wearing something like that around your wrist, going to your little places and stuff. And does it actually slap?
Yeah.
Like the 90s?
Yeah, it's a slap bracelet,
that's fun,
like
man.
the 90s. Okay, I do have one complaint about the slappability of the bracelet. So there's a flap here on the bottom that covers the USB port on the bottom. It's not a very thick flap of rubber, and it's connected to the back piece that is what mainly touches your wrist. Mm-hmm. So the tension on it, when it's flat, it'll stay closed. But I've noticed sometimes when I've slapped it onto my wrist, the little flap opens, exposing the USB micro port. So it's a funny experiment in wearable lighting. Do I recommend it? No.
Doesn't sound like it. It sounds like it needs a Gen 2 is what it needs.
It needs a Gen 2. It needs to be brighter. And I get it. These are like the battery cells here, and it only lasts an hour at full brightness right now. So like if they made it brighter, it probably wouldn't.
So you can change the brightness level. You can't change saturation at all?
No, can't change saturation.
Just hue and then brightness effectively.
Yeah, I can just change hue and brightness. It's an HI. And even then getting all these different colors is weird. You got R, B, and G, and then you can do the in-between colors between the next one.
Weird. That's a weird interface.
Very, very weird. But yeah, Spiffy, I hope you've got something nice up your sleeve for a Gen 2. Maybe I'll swap this out for a bi-colored one if Adorama doesn't give me too much grief about returning this one.
Nah, they won't. They're good. The label's in there. Just shove it in the box and give it to your postal carrier.
Well, Gilbert, thank you for sending this over. This has been an interesting experiment, and maybe this will be the first video on the Kyle and Gilbert channel.
You're gonna blur my face though.
I filmed your face. I filmed your face this whole time. Your whole time I've been filming your face.
Hey, you can blur it though.
All right, that's the Lumee RGB light bracelet by Spiffy.